How to open MOK disc padlock. The body and shackle are made of stainless steel. This is the MOK plastic cylinder. It is also made of stainless steel. Highest precision, highest security. It works by different angle of plastics to achieve encryption. Please insert the key and make each disc to match the keyway perfectly. Then the padlock can be opened. As you can see, both sides of the shackle are secured by both increased protection against attacks and manipulation. Security System MOK. Best choice forever.